Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Dasavataram detailed trailer by RCM promo.
Yes, so we have Kamal Hassan sir here,
Yes.
and a lot of you have requested for this Dasavataram trailer.
Yes.
So here it is for you guys. I can really sense that Dasavataram matlab 10 avatar
10 type of different
characters. So that movie content can be a interesting topic
it
to
will
discuss.
be like something Ravan.
हाँ, kind of like that.
Yes.
तो रावण का तो 10 सर था.
Sir tha, but here
हाँ,
it will be
ये
originate 10
Avatar
different
characters. So kind of like I can feel the sense of it. Okay, so let's get started. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the notification bell.
Yes.
So चलो शुरू करते हैं दशावतारम.
Okay.
कमल हसन सर.
Nice look.
Powerful पुरोहित. Present days.
I think it's different look. Okay, that was also Kamal Hassan sir.
हाँ, this is Kamal Hassan sir only. You can't recognize.
No, not that one. That one something different. It was looking.
No, he is Kamal Hassan sir. ये मल्लिका
हाँ,
शेरावत
this
हो.
one. This character.
हाँ, ये भी कमल हसन सर है.
Okay.
हाँ, लॉर्डो. आसिन भी है. Wow.
This also.
हाँ, they all are because I can recognize.
Wow. There's a lot of
What
characters.
is the? I cannot predict the storyline. What can be the storyline?
I think it will be a superb movie.
Superb movie.
Right?
Superb movie, man. I can understand actually.
Yes.
Wow. Picturization भी मस्त है.
Right?
So many different avatars.
NaCl. Sodium chloride.
What an intelligent design.
Wow. Superb, man. I cannot predict the storyline, to be very frank. You guys can, think that I'm dumb, but that's okay.
But
I
actually,
cannot
10
even
type of
understand.
different character he is playing in this movie, so it's very tough to predict.
No, I'm generally, discussing with you all. Don't take me wrong. Is this the story of, 10 different stories? Like होता है ना, जैसे 10
right.
stories
10
का एक
movie
movie
was
बनता
there.
है. Kind of like 10 stories will be indulged. मतलब एक story खत्म होगा. One part over, 2 parts, second part. Is this
No,
kind of movie
I don't think
it is
will
a
be-
one movie only?
In one movie, he will be playing 10 different characters, I think.
But all of the characters and everything, like how it is interconnected, I cannot predict the storyline.
Right, it's very tough.
It's very tough actually, because we saw one scientist, Angrez, a foreigner kind of, one Purahit, one normal
Not a-
person who is Asins ka ye hai, and a lot of characters. I cannot
different
even
character
recall now. It is superb,
Yes,
superb.
right. I think it's based upon sometimes some old character are also there, like in 19 or 18th century something. Some character
Some
will be
old
there,
time
old
ka
character also,
story,
and I think some
ancient
reborn
stories
will be also there.
can be happened. Yes,
I think so.
Dasavataram, right? It is
Right.
superb, man.
Or
It
10
should
different
be a
type of
super hit.
born born character
characters.
can be happening in this.
Why I'm thinking, because all of the characters are not interconnected with each other.
Right.
That is why I'm thinking like 10 different stories they have made.
Right.
Like होता था ना बॉलीवुड में भी हम देखे हैं ना कि क्या 10 कहानियाँ kind of stuff.
Yes.
10 stories,
Right.
10
10
stories.
Thus movie was
10
there,
10 movies,
different
different
story.
movies. So I'm thinking, is this that is
That
the concept, or it is a
concept,
full
right.
movie and all of the characters are interconnected?
But
like
one thing I am confused, like other character is playing and he's suffering with something. Other character is also getting affected, like this plus sign we can see here. So
So it
previous
can be a one
character
movie.
got hit by with
Yeah.
something, and then this came to him also. This type of
maybe
sign.
what can happen Abhay, like maybe they have shown 10 times, like 18th century फिर 19th century फिर धीरे धीरे फ्यूचर का टाइमिंग भी जहाँ पे वो लोग साइंटिस्ट वगैरह का रोल था ना. So it can be in this way also. We are not sure. We
And
whatever we say,
And there was
we just
also
say in front of
there
you.
was also an idol, right? Old
Old
also.
idol also. That
I think
scene
it-
was superb.
Right, that
He was
that
lying.
it was lying, and it was inside the sea also, I think.
Sea also some-
And sometimes it was I think sometimes in present days it got stolen also. Something
It got stolen, matlab kind of like
totally
we cannot understand
unpredictable.
unpredictable story.
Yes,
But what we are understanding is like some old stories also are there, and as well as some new stories,
Yes.
like new generation stories also there.
Right.
They in the old story, one mandir or one idol will be there, which after the earthquake and everything that is there under the ocean, and they will find that murti and they will steal, and this kind of story.
I
I'm
think
thinking I'm
this
not
concept will be mind twisting.
mind to stick, and it is mind blowing also. Like it is superb. I have not seen this kind of concept in my life. Have
Okay,
you?
yeah, no.
Like in any film industry?
No, we have
this
to
is the
watch
first
this
time.
movie.
This is the first time actually. So if you have any information regarding that, you can definitely let us know.
Yes.
And don't judge us that you don't know and you are saying
So what?
wrong thing and not what. Don't say that, because we are discussing with you all, and that is the true meaning of reaction channel is.
Right.
अगर सब कुछ जान के ही बैठे हैं तो true reaction कहाँ से निकलेगा?
Right.
Correct. So that is why. So we really enjoyed it. It is a
Yes, of
10
course.
on 10. Thank
Of course,
you to
we have
each and
seen a different
everyone.
type of concept here.
Yeah, who have suggested to give the reaction on Dasavataram. It is
Yes.
mind blowing, wonderful. Okay, trailer we saw
And I
today.
think RCM promo, they have done a fabulous
job.
doing this mashup.
Correct.
It's not an original trailer, but they have did some mashup here.
Mashup
So
here.
It was super.
It was super.
Yes.
And yes, it was a 10 on 10 from your
Yes,
side
of course,
also,
10
right?
on 10.
10 on 10.
Totally different type of concept you have seen.
Totally
So
different.
from
I have
us,
not seen anything like
It will
that.
be 10 on 10 only.
10
Yes.
on 10. So yes, this is it for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from MTA, and he's commenting on Dhanush Mari 2 entries in reaction, and he's commenting, who knows Dhanush Rajni sir's daughter husband.
Yes, we know.
We know that actually that Dhanush is Rajni sir's daughter's
Yes.
husband. So we know that.
Yes, he is
Okay.
son-in-law of Rajni sir.
हम उतने भी पीछे नहीं हैं, हमें हमारे पास information रहती
Yes,
है
right.
कुछ okay, and also we know that Allu Arjun sir's father-in-law,
Yes.
he is also a famous politician. Okay,
Yes, right.
so we know a couple of things actually, because we are in this platform, and we also have interest to know much
Right,
more
more.
about everything.
Yes.
Okay, so yes, definitely, and also Ramcharan also have some connection, like
I think
this
with
kind
the-
of. I'm not
yes.
sure though, but for Allu Arjun sirs and for Dhanush sir, I'm sure.
Yes.
Okay, and yes, that is very good actually. And thank you so much for comment and for watching our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Alvin Jai, and he is writing, this is censor cut scenes, original first day theater scenes. This fight is very raw, and he is writing his comment on Thalapathy Vijay dog detection spot scene reaction
Yeah.
from the movie Tupaki.
Yes, yes.
Yes, so I think that's why we didn't got any Tamil version of this particular scene.
Maybe.
It was having a lot of the means raw fighter, raw scene, also a lot of bloods and all. It was
Oh, that is why it was not in Tamil.
Maybe that's why due to censor cut
Censor
they have
cut
cut.
scenes.
And
One
it was
person also
there.
have told, we have pinned that comment that better to see in Telugu, because because of that censor cut
Censor cut,
issue only, it is not there in Tamil kind of stuff he has written.
Okay.
So yes, actually we couldn't find the Tamil version actually.
That's why we have to give our reaction on
Reaction Telugu version, but we enjoyed the scene, and
Yes.
that is the most important thing. We enjoyed it. Talapati Vijay sir was looking rocking, and his acting skill as usual
Right.
extraordinary, so we enjoyed.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much Alvin for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So third comment for today's video is from Vivek Kumar, and he is also commenting on Talapati Vijay's doctorate scene, and he is commenting, for this movie stuntmen were sent to border and was trained to fight like army men, and Vijay sir took training from them.
Okay.
Okay, this is the second movie in Tamil cinema history to collect 100 crores.
Okay.
Wow.
Great, and it's a
Because of
great
their
that
passion,
great that he went to the borders
Borders
and he
to
stayed with
get the
them
training.
and get those trained, because that's why you will be into the character.
Yeah, yeah.
Without that,
So,
it's very tough.
That is, true inspiration that from them, Vijay sir's and whole team is
Yes.
getting the training and everything, and so that is why the whole scene was so perfect. The fighting and
Exactly.
everything was like on point,
Right.
and it
Exactly.
was so
It was
perfect.
like
That is
some
why
real
only.
soldier is fighting like that only.
So they do a lot of struggle actually. We cannot even think. We are the viewers. As the viewers, we are thinking, okay, their life is very lavish and they
Lavish.
don't do anything.
No, they
But
have
no,
to work a lot.
they have to work a lot, and for that we have to salute them.
Yes.
Okay, each and everyone, not only the actor but also the side persons also.
Yes.
They are also struggling a lot, and yes, that is a very good thing that 100 crore they have got actually.
Yes.
Because of the
It was a
movie.
good movie
It's the
as well,
history.
that's why.
It was very good movie. Yes. And thank you so much for this valuable information, Vivek Kumar, and thank you so much for watching our video. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.